share, and comment. Ladies and gentlemen, kabayan, everyone. Oh, time check. It's 6 p.m. where I'm at right now. So, maghihintay lang po tayo ng ating sundo at tayo po ay sasama sa paghihila-hila. It's 4 of us and it's my first time. Dadayo po ng lugar daw malapit sa where my father was born. Yeah, I've mentioned to you, my father was born in Macalelon. Huh? So, come with us. We're moving, everyone. Can you hear the splashing of the water? We're moving. It's 8:10 p.m. Time check, yeah. Eto, nakapunto po tayo. And it's windy. Oh! Hindi po madali mangila. No, not mangilaw. Maghila-hila. So next time, may mga nagtitinda ng isda. Appreciate it, yeah. Hindi po madali. It's too cold. Lulusong ka po sa tubig hanggang hanggang dibdib. Since madilim po, ito pong aking ilaw ng aking handphone, hindi po niya kayang malayuan. And kasalukuyan po silang namamandaw because they've cast the first catch. They've cast the net for the first catch. So ako po nandito lang sa bangka naghihintay. Yan. First catch is coming. Tignan po natin kung anong mga huli.
Hindi makita ito.
May bangus.
Bangus.
May banak. May usuhos. Oh, laki! Yahoy! That's the first catch, everyone! The second catch is here. Tignan po natin.
Ikon mo yan. Taktak mo aja natin. May lagay ng ngili.
Dadalwa.
Yan, tatak-tak lang sa ito.
May papakain ko sa kapang?
third cast catch. Everyone, why? Yeah.
Parang mahirap maglagay at mataas ano.
Mataas na.
Itaas mo muna yan. Ang baba. Lagyan ulit natin eh.
Ito na yun.
Umalis.
Holy! Wow! Bravo!
Nangangapit pa eh.
Woohoo! There you go!
Hindi naman nag-harvest sa'yo.
Wow! Dami! The next day. Everyone, good morning! Ayun! Yun po yung aming paglalambat kagabi. Actually, madaling araw na po kami nakauwi. Not really. Before madaling araw. Because you know why? Nakakast po ng net 4 times lang. Hi, unfortunately po, yung pang-apat na cast, yung ating handyman na si Rading, nakatapak po ng sea urchin. Di po ba, alam nyo, pag yung sea urchin ay natatapakan ninyo, yung pong kanyang tinik ay malambot. Naiiwan po yun sa loob ng balat. So, it's quite impossible for you to remove it using pin. Eh, ang style po nila dito, di pababayaan lang. Hanggang sa maaalis daw po yun ng kusa. What an agony that evening. Ano po? Ang sabi po nila, kung bata lang daw po ang tinamaan nun, naku po, papalahag po ng papalahag ng iyak. It's because makirot. Ano po? So, yeah, hindi po nakapuno ng yung lalagyanan dahil forecasts lang po yun ng net. Hindi na po naulitan. So, we have to go back home. Ang ganda pong mag-ano doon because parang wala po doong naglalambat. Hindi daw po ugali sa lugar na yon ang naglalambat. Doon po baga sa may Makalelon. So, that's the happening that evening. Today, meron po akong kinuhang I think it's a variety of cactus. Yeah, a variety of cactus na namumunga. But I'm not really quite sure kung ito po yung namumunga. And I wanted to plant it. Hindi ko po alam kung saan ko itatanim. Maghahanap pa ako. But I really wanted to plant it. Ano po? And masyado pong masinag ang araw. Ha, I'm quite fair in here, but I'm not really quite fair. Ano po? Salamat po sa panonood. See you on the next videos. Keep watching. And do subscribe. Have a good day ahead.